The designer box, and there's it's the Mechanicsburg. Here it is. It's actually kind of heavy for how, you know, it's the smaller box, and it's kind of heavy for being how small the box is. But all right, let's see. It's as usual. It's the one piece of tape, just one piece of tape. And okay, we've got our packing slip here. All right, Rescue DIY Designer, 7 pieces for $140 plus shipping. For me, comes out to $150. So it's about $22 per item is what the cost is. All right, here is the first look. Okay, it's some clothes so far, but the clothes are always on top, so that's okay. All right, we are gonna pull. This is really cute. Okay, I can tell you right now, this is, oh my heavens. Acris Punto is the name. Absolutely, totally my style, but I think it's a tiny. All right, here's the tag. Okay, this, I know it's an expensive brand name. I've seen it out on the Real. I don't see anything wrong with this. It's really pretty. Let's see. Oh, I see. They're buttons. They're snaps, but they are made to look like buttons. That's cool. Okay. Don't let it be my size. Don't let it be my size. Don't let it be my size. All right, 65% wool, 35% Angora. Gosh, I don't see anything wrong. Oh, it's a US size 6. Pretty good. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, Angora and wool. That is not a cheap item. So I'm excited about that. I like getting jackets. It's, of all the pieces of clothing to get, I think jackets are my favorite. So this will sell. I've not been sending things into the Real at all anymore. I don't know, I might go back to it, but I kind of don't think so. The Real just, I don't like getting, you know, $4 commission on something that I paid $80 for. So it doesn't always happen, but it does happen a little too often if you ask me. So that is my opinion. Now we have got Diane von Furstenberg, made exclusively for a pea in the pod, size large. So it's a maternity dress. And I don't know, I didn't know that Diane von Furstenberg had a maternity line, but a pea in the pod is maternity, I do believe. So it's this dress, and yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have to put on a mannequin so you can see it better. But here's the tag, and I don't offhand, I sure don't see anything wrong with it. It's like a half sleeve, cuffed half sleeve. The design is adorable. Oh, I see a little tiny stain on the arm. But I'm going to put it on the mannequin and see what happens with this item. But it's really nice. Here, just to give you a better idea of what the pattern looks like. Oh, by the way, it's a wrap dress, too. Those are always kind of hard to show unless you have them on the mannequin. So, yeah. And let's see. Oh, by the way, it's also silk. It's 100% silk. So, for the maternity mama who wants to look good and feel good in silk, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, next up is Sandro Paris, a peplum, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's a peplum top, peplum style kind of, and it's a small size, but it's really pretty. Look at this. Look at the fabric. It's kind of like that textured fabric, and it's a size 2. It's a size 2. There's the label. Do you see the size 2? Yeah, there's the size right there. You can see that. So it zips down the back. There's a very small mark on it. I think that'll come right out if I wash it. Let's see. Let's see what the washing instructions are. Dry. Oh, let's see. No. Polyester. It's 100% polyester. I don't see any washing instructions on it, but I'll do a little digging. And yeah, size 2 is a little bit hard to sell. It's pretty slow mover. The smaller sizes just are. I don't really know why, but that's just how it kind of is. Okay, I don't have any purses in here, which is a bummer. But I have these Miu Miu shoes. Okay, I have to be honest with you. Every time I get Miu Miu, they are completely destroyed. So I hope, no, these are going to be, I mean, they're cute. They're really nice shoes. But then you've got all this on the side going on, this color transfer. And I don't know about you, but I've never been able to get color transfer off of patent leather. Bummer. It just seems like every pair of Miu Miu either purse, remember how I said it was a bad box the last time I got one? It's because I got a Miu Miu purse that was absolutely terrible. It was It was terrible in so many ways. We threw it in the garbage, in the outdoor garbage. Okay, it was that bad. So I don't know. I feel like Miu Miu brings me bad luck or something. I don't know. But look at, like, there's color on that side. Probably someone's, I don't know, pants or something had dye on them. I don't really know. Ah, that's too bad because they are absolutely adorable. Okay, they're a size 39. And the heels are like just ridiculously tall. Like they're like at least 6.5 inches tall. And they're platforms. So the platform's a good, 1.5 inches too. So, bummer about the color transfer. I will try and get it off though. So there we go. I will try and get that off. Okay. 2 more things to go here. And oh, okay. It's a pair of Prada shoes, and I don't think they're too bad. Okay, they are black patent leather. The patent has gotten a little bit dull, but I think I can. I think that'll be okay. I'll try and revive that a little bit and shine them up. They're really, really pretty shoes. They're a peep toe. The heel's about 3.75 inches. And size 40. Look at the bottom. You can tell they haven't had a ton of wear. And the heels aren't, they're a little bit chewed at the bottom. They've got a little, they've got some. All right. And the last item I saved for the last because I saw the tag on here. And this is a pretty good one. Okay. I'm pretty happy with, oh, there's 2. There's 2. I'm going to save the best for last. Oh my gosh. Sandro. I don't usually like getting Sandro, but this is one of the cutest items I've ever gotten from Sandro. Look at this blue long sleeve, it feels like wool, and then it's got this insert, oh my heavens, it's really pretty. This is the neck. It's kind of like a mock neck, and I don't know what the size is, but I'm gonna find out. Oh, it's a size 1. I didn't know there was a size 1. And then I'm gonna show you the tag first. I'm gonna see what the material is if I can. Well, okay, I'm pretty sure it's wool, but I'm going to show you the tag anyway. There's the tag. And then size 1. I don't know. Size 1. I don't know about that. That's tiny. Gosh, I wish that, I don't know. That is just, I wish that fit me. This one actually looks like new. I mean, I don't think it was ever worn. I don't see anywhere to this shirt. But I don't know why, but I don't have any tags. So I'm going to have to look around for that, but instead of searching for it on camera. But just to show you up close, look at this fabric. It's so pretty with the lace insert kind of, really nice. And the last thing is, unfortunately, it is a tank, but it is Chanel. Woohoo! I love Chanel. That is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It's Chanel Boutique. And it's a small size it's a blue shirt with white, white around the sleeves, white accents. Let's see, is it silk? It's a size 38. So that's I think a size 4 or a 2. I think it's a size 4. Might be a 2. So I don't know what the material is because that tag has kind of worn off. The tag the tag has seen its better days. But anyway. But that is the Chanel shirt. Okay, well, it's a tiny size. This is not my best box. The last one was not my best box. But, you have to win some and lose some. So, okay. And, if you get too many in a row, I guess you have to make a decision whether you want to keep doing them. But anyway, that was the first thing. Here are the Miu Miu shoes. And size 39. The Sandro wool mock neck navy blue shirt. And we've got the Prada slingback, peep toe, patent leather shoes. We've got this peplum shirt by Sandro. And we've got the size large maternity dress by Diane von Furstenberg with a Pea in the Pod partnership. And then last but not least, we have got the beautiful, my favorite piece of this whole box is this jacket, Acris Punto, I don't know how you say, Acris Punto, and it's a size 6. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna have to see. It has to sell for a lot. I'll find out. But those are the items. So let me know what you think below and have a wonderful day.